This is Anand. In this session, we are going to see Python basic collections and print. Let us get into the demo now. Yeah, here it to 3.5 or 3.0. Now let us start. We are going to see the list. What is list? List is nothing but collection of data in an array. As I said, the how we are going to use it using this the angular bracket. That's how we will be using it. The list here 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise I'm giving yes. I had given the A. Now the name of the list is A. Then is it big enough or we can maximize it? It will be convenient for me to control plus. Okay, I hope it will be legible enough. Now I'm typing A, so it will give a list of values. Good. What are the value? Now if you want to select the second value in the array, I'm giving 2 because as it is 0 based, I'll be getting 4. Yes, perfect. I'm getting it. Now, if you want to get some help about this list, either I can type help of list, I can type like this. It will give how I can use all these commands. This one is there. Another thing is, if I say type A, it will give what is type is this list. Else I can instead of knowing the type, then giving it in help, directly I can give like this also. Because Python interpreter will identify the type of A, then based on that it will give the respective help. Now let's see what else I can do. Add is there. Here we have seen, right? In this place we have seen add. So first we will add value, then find the length, then what else we can do? Append, count, very good. Oh, count, it is not going to return number of occurrences of value. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Pop and remove. Pop and remove, it's almost same. But in remove, we can give a specific value to remove from the list. Pop it remove, as I should, the last one. A is given. Now I am going to give A dot. There is, okay, insert in a specific place also I can insert. Then append will be at the end. We can do like this. Okay. A plus 2, what is going to give? Okay, good. It's giving an error. Awesome. First, we had to start with the error. Then A multiplied by 2, what will give? That same value will be concatenated, twice. But it is just on runtime we are getting. It is not going to change value in the A. Next again typing A dot insert. I'm going to add the value 8 in the third place. So what will happen if you see 0, 1, 2, third place the 8 is inserted and 5 is shifted right. Now I am finding length of the A. Okay, it is giving 5. Okay, already we have seen how to. Then let's see A dot remove. I want to remove the value 5. You see, now again I am back to 4 values only. Then again I will add that 5. In third place I added, I will do one thing. In fourth place I will add 5. So is it sorted? No, right? So what we will do, A dot sort. Yes, sorted. But how do we know? Again I need to print the value 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Previously it was like this. It's one of the beauty of list. Next we are going to see the count. What is count? Because length is how many values it give. But for example, I will add insert in fourth place. In third place again I'm adding 8. Okay, yeah. Let's do sort again. A dot sort. Okay, now count of particular value. Count, I'm counting. How many times 8 is coming in the list? 2 times. Perfect. Then length we have seen. Then what else? What is pop? Remove already we have seen. A dot pop. 8 came. So what is left in A? Pop means completely it will remove that particular value from the list. So the size or length of the list will be modified. Now we are getting only 5 values. I'm doing one more pop. Yeah, because in the whenever I say pop, the last one will be first out, LIFO. Yeah. Okay, so we have seen about this list. So in the list we can modify the values. Now let's go to create another variable called b, right? And how we are going to give this value in this regular bracket, 4, 7, 9, 8, 10. Purposely I am giving in a different orders. Can we, in tuples, can we change the values? No, that is the beauty of it. Here, for example, help of b, adding in the sense outside only we can, we can get the output, but again we can't put it back in the tuples. And it's a contains. Okay, is it containing that value? Those things we can check. It's a more like an boolean then. Get slice, iteration. Again, as usual, length, multiply, and all those things. Other than that, what is exactly like a list, but except modifying that we cannot. We can do everything. That's a beauty of tuples. And the next we are going to see set. We would have studied about this Venn diagram. When two values are, directly we'll go for a set. Let's see, C, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4. What is C? Okay, we got a set. Help C. Here we can compare constant, same thing, then less than or equal to or condition. It's more of, the logical stuff. We can find the difference between that two or more sets, and we can, let's see, add an element to the set also we can do. Here we cannot order. For sure we cannot order. Let's see. C is a set. Good. And we can add values over here. We have seen, right? A, where I am going to add. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. When already the element is there, again it is going to give any effect. Always, because it's going to be a unique. That is one of the thing. And C dot add, I'm going to give 8. Now what is C? Yes, it got added. Now again, I'm going to add 6. Does it change? No, because 6 is already there, so it is of no use. Again, I'm creating another set called D. Okay. Now we need to find out the difference between, as usual here you can do remove, pop and everything. Let's see, because these are some, intersection and difference is one of that uniqueness of set, right? Already it's unique, but it is having its unique features, right? C dot, what is the exact syntax we are using? The difference. In D, nothing is different. Okay, nothing. Then let's go by C is different than D. Yes, 8. 8 is a unique value. right? That's what we got. Then intersection, let's see. Yes, these are intersecting values. So this is what you will get it from the Venn diagram, right? At last, we will go for a dictionary. Assume it is going to be like this. Now 1 equal to, this is how we used to give in the JSON files, 1 equal to add. Okay. Then 2 colon subtract. Good. Then 3 multiply. Division. Yes, I got it like this. Then help of D. Or directly I can give a dictionary. So these are some values we got. Compare contains delimiter equal to greater than everything we'll be getting. And these are something same like rest of that collection types. Let's see. D dot. But the problem with the pop is I'll be losing that value from there. To remove specified. Oh, okay. We have to give the key also. I need to give pop. Okay. Now let's see what is there. Oh, pop got removed. So now next one, how we are going to, whenever there is a pop, there is nothing called insert. Then we can do one thing. We can do, again we need to redefine or anything. Okay, D dot keys. I'm getting. Sorry, D dot keys. See what are the values? 1, 3, 2, everything is coming. Okay, then again I will add this value. Now D is redefined. D is like this. Keys are like this. Then D of 2. The subtract is coming. For the given value, the values are coming. For values, it will list out all the values. So it is more like a JSON file. And so these are some very basic things that we need to learn. And at last, we will go for the regular print. Today I started my Python. Yes, it is coming. And okay, so these are some basic things we have seen about, printf, string, and type safe, the dynamic typing, and the basic collections. So next one, we are going to see how we are going to use it in a Python file. Then how we are going to run this Python. Okay, so please stay with us. Shortly we will post the next video. Thank you.